Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Reha Migalman and I'm here to report about the big data and augmented analytics. So, let's go and watch it. Big data refers to incredibly complicated and large databases that are beyond the capabilities of conventional data processing software. It is characterized by 5 V's. First one is volume. The massive amount of volume data generated daily from various sources like social media, IoT devices, transactions, sensors, etc. The next one is velocity. The speed at which data is generated, collected, and processed, example including real-life data from social media or financial transaction. Third one is variety. The different type of data format such as structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. The fourth one is veracity. The quality and accuracy of data which is very depending on its source and reliability. The fifth one is value. The actionable insight and benefits deriving from analyzing the data effectively. Why it matters? Big data is crucial for business, governments, and organizations as it helps in identifying trends and making informed decisions, improving customer experience, and optimizing operation across industries. Augmented analytics is a technology-driven approach to data analysis that uses advanced tools like artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning (ML), and natural language processing (NLP) to automate and enhance the process of discovering insight, preparing data, and generate reports. Key feature of augmented analytics: data preparation automation, simplify the cleaning, organizing, and structuring of raw data. Insight generation, automatically identify patterns, threads, and anomalies in data. Visualization, creates intuitive chart, graph, and dashboards for easier understanding of data insight. Natural language interaction, allow user to ask questions and receive answer in natural language, making analytics more accessible. And predictive and prospective analysis, provides forecast and actionable recommendation based on historical data. Benefits of big data. First one is enhanced decision making. Big data provides actionable insight by analyzing vast amount of structured and unstructured data, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions quickly and accurately. Second one is improve customer insight. Big data help business understand customer preferences, behaviors, and trends, leading to personalized marketing strategies, better customer experience, and improved loyalty. The third one is operation efficiency. By analyzing operation data, organization can optimize workflows, reduce efficiencies, and predict and prevent potential system failures. The fourth one is real-time analytics. Big data allows real-time monitoring and analyzing, which is crucial for sectors like finance, healthcare, and retail. The fifth one is competitive advantage. Organizations leveraging big data can identify market trends, monitoring competitors, and adapt strategies faster, giving them a competitive edge. Benefits of augmented analytics. The first one is enhanced decision making. Augmented analytics leverage AI and ML to uncover insight that may not be immediately apparent, enabling more informed and data-driven decision. And the second one is increased efficiency. By automating data preparation, analysis, and visualization, it reduces the time and manual efforts needed for analytic tasks, allowing teams to focus on strategic activities. And the third one is democratization of data. And simplifies analytic tools for non-technical user through natural language queries, and intuitive interface, making insight and accessible to all employees. And the fourth one is real-time insight. So, enabling organization to process and analyze data in real time, allowing them to respond quickly to market trends, customer needs, or operational changes. And the last one is improve accuracy. Advanced algorithm minimize human errors in data analysis, ensuring more reliable and precise insight.